Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about one of the key functionality. In other words, I would say key activity in Oracle Cloud Fusion Financials. So which is happening on a quarterly basis. We can call it as a quarterly upgrades or new patches or new version, which is releasing by Oracle on a quarterly basis. That is the agenda today. So let me get into the shade. Yeah. So here you can see then the left hand side and right hand side. I kept what are the activities comes under the Oracle and what are the activities can be performed by the support team. Support team in the sense the client support or client IT team as well as. So this is actually one of the key activity during every upgrade, it is every quarterly once where Oracle team is spending a lot of time and identify the new features or new functionalities and done the testing and enhance the current functionalities and making sure that those things are working successfully. So this everything comes under the in this activity, but we'll go by the flow, what I know based on my experience. Firstly, so here you can see Oracle will have their own product development team, and Oracle also has one of the tool called as a Customer Cloud Connect. In short form, we can call it as a triple C, and idea generation from various customers or clients. So this is something where different customers who is using the Oracle product for their business point of view, those customers will raise ideas based on their business process where they got some kind of new ideas or based on their experience. So in these situations, they can create idea, or sometimes when we have raised Oracle SR to working on any critical issues, they may suggest us to create idea in the idea lab to generate idea where Oracle team look into it and take it as a consideration. If it is really valid situation, then they will turn into the new feature or enhance the current feature. That is what it is referring about row number 4. And finalize ideas and work by development team and enhance the current functionalities. So this is something based on the previous experience or multiple customers raise a concerns, says that this feature can be enhanced, or they're looking for more flexibility to working on the functionality to meet their business various expectations. Then Oracle take it as a consideration and where is possibility to enhance the current functionality or new functionalities. And internal testing. So this is something once once the Oracle team identify the new features or new ideas which was received through various customers through customer cloud connect, they will do the testing. Once they will develop that and do the internal testing and send it for the product manager to approve it. Once that is approved, it means that, let's say example, we may receive around thousands of the new ideas from the various customers across the global. Then in this, out of 1,000, let's say example, 10% got selected for the new features. It means that 100 features will be various different financial modules. That will be done all these activities and it will be getting approved by the product manager. Once the product manager is approved, then it will go for the release notes. This is we called as a release notes, nothing but as a new features for the all the finance models where is applicable. If you look at the screen here, this is current version where Oracle has given the cloud readiness or cloud Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials. What is new? So version is 24A. Currently we are running with the 24A version. In that we can see all the financial models where it is applicable, where Oracle team has developed the new features or enhanced the new features or existing feature as well as. Okay, so likewise we can understand it here. If you look at any one of the model, the payroll model, they had given 4 new features. This is where this is something where I can say where multiple customers may requested for them to create these functionalities, right? So that is how it is. So once we receive these new features from Oracle, so what can be done by us as a being consultant? So these are the activities comes under the our side as a support team. Impact assessment. Impact assessment, nothing but as a we can say review the features. So here this is the process. Download new features from Oracle repository. Features will review by SME and recommend to client which is applicable. It means that when the new features will be reviewed by SME, subject matter experts, they will see that who closely working with the client to understand the business process, the various models, then they will provide their recommendations for the new features, where it is really needed or not needed. If it's something is going to be impact their current process or it will give a lot of benefit to the business users, then they can give the recommendation for them. And so once you download these features, we can keep in the specific client format where exactly they're looking for the format and in such a PPT slides as well as. So once that is finalized, then you can go to the business team and client IT team to review the features and explain the functionalities to the business users by SMEs. So once that is done, they may ask a number of maybe they ask the questions or they may get some kind of clarification required, and they may ask us to like prepare documentations also for which is critical thing, which is good features they want to opt into the new version. This all the activities comes under the download features and impact assessment and review sessions. And second task is that testing. This is small testing or regression testing. So here, once we receive the new patch in the non-prod environments, nothing but as a dev 1, dev 2 or test pods, then the support team will go and execute all the set of test cases which already we have in the specific non-prod environments. And so during this process, it means while we execute all the test cases, the SMS can have the experiences that any functionality is not working as we expected, then they need to call out those specific functionality and inform back to client, and then they need to raise a Oracle SR as well as. To raise SR, we need to prove them by providing the other supporting evidence. Says that this is the new functionality wherein it is not working as expected after we receive the new version of the application. Okay, that's what I mentioned here. The point need to open SR service request and follow up until fix the issue. So once the issue got fixed by the Oracle team, again we re-execute the same set of test cases and confirm back to business team and review results and confirm to business and sign up. The sign up will be providing by the client after they review row number 13, after they review the results which we tested the test cases, and then they'll completely understand that everything is correct. Then they will provide the sign off copy. So this all the activities comes under the testing. So finally, Oracle. So this task will be taken care by the Oracle. So what will happen after completion of this, all the activities by support team, then they will confirm that everything looks correct so that we can good to go for the version can be uploaded into the production. So it will happen always in the over the weekends only. Okay, non-working hours, non-working days. So finally, the Oracle will apply the new version or new patch into the production by the over the weekends. Okay, so these are the things will happen from the support teams. And here we need to understand one point, and here the plan would be always how many weeks or how many days we need to run this testing, right? This is the open question. Ideally, what will happen? Each client should have their own set of timings. Says that either 1 week of the time or 2 weeks of the time. So within 1 week time or 2 weeks time, we need to complete this testing, which means that 10 working days, 10 working days, and then 12th day or 13th day. So what the weekend, the Oracle team will apply the patch into the production. So that is the timelines which various clients may have the different time frame for them as per their business process. So this is how we can understand the quarterly upgrade patch, and so what are the activities comes from the support team and Oracle as well as. So this is the link where you can find out the new features from the Oracle repository. Yep. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe and share it and like it. Thank you so much. We'll catch up in the next video in a different topic, which we can call as a enhancements. Thank you.